What Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Fun Vlog. Starring Pa Bibo, Pa Bebe, and Pa Bibe. Nitro, what day is it today? It's school day! Yeah, we're going to school, hey! On his first day of school, nasa Manila ako. So, hindi ako nakahatid sa kanya. But Shanta did. What?
Yes, and I have a video.
Today is Nitro's third day of school. Ako na mismo ang maghatid sa kanya habang mag-gym si Ma'am Shanta.
Masasama muna ako sa inyo.
Okay. Sige. And then mag-gym ka, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi
gym is life.
Sure. Nitro, you ready to go to school?
Come on.
Huh? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Let's turn the iPad off.
I already turned it off.
Oh, you already turned it off. Okay. Whoa, that's cool, man. It's a school uniform. Or something like it.
He needs a white polo.
Needs a white polo. Do all the other kids have a white polo?
Yeah, not all of them, but we have to buy one later.
I know. Let's go, Nitro. Dana, are you excited to go to school?
Yeah,
Your bag, bring your
What?
did you put that downstairs?
Talk properly,
It's
talk
fine.
What? Your laptop holder? What did you do at school on the other 2 days?
Keep on sitting down.
Keep on sitting down. Yeah, I saw you say your name on the video, buddy. You were so loud. You were super loud and everyone else was quiet. You said, Nitro!
But who said my name now in the school?
Nitro, tell Daddy all the kinds of lines you learned.
Standing line
Yeah.
and sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Yeah.
There's one more, the slanting line.
The slanting line.
Good, okay. That's a good start. And some lines. Alright, buddy, well, let's go in the car. Let's go. It's time to
Yeah,
go.
but I'm going to kids school, and you have to watch me outside.
Okay, I'll watch you outside, buddy. Alright, grab your bag. Grab your lunchbox. Come on.
This is so.
So heavy.
Daddy's school makes me big, but my bags are too heavy though.
Oh, well, they'll make you strong when you carry
Nitro,
them.
tell Daddy, mommies and daddies are not allowed inside.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Ah, he did?
Yeah. Okay, let's go, buddy. Wala nang baby seat si Nitro kasi big boy na daw siya. You wear a seat belt na. Alright, tara. Let's go. Woo. Alright. Let's go to school, Nitro.
Oh, you're wearing your sandals.
We're gonna drive to school in the car.
And
Para kunwari.
Malayo. Kunwari malayo.
Alright, Nitro, we're here. Not just in Kinder 1, right?
It's the nursery and then he'll jump to Kinder
nursery.
2
Oh, it's just nursery. Okay. When does he jump to Kinder 2?
next year.
Next year. Pa, the 6 months sa nursery.
No, it's like a year. I
Daddy,
think.
what
Nangalimot ako.
Yes, buddy.
happened to when I jumped to the kingdom?
The kingdom.
Kinder.
No, you're gonna go straight to Kinder 2 after nursery, they said.
But what happened?
That's it.
Oh, you just go to a different
You
class.
change teachers.
You change the teacher and you learn more stuff. You'll not jump there anyways. he thinks he literally has to jump. Jump down? You can't go down from nursery, that's the lowest. Yeah, see, everyone's going to school, see? Let's go, buddy. You show me where your classroom is. Come on.
It's at the very end. Go, 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 go.
Show me where it is. Where's the classroom, buddy?
Oh, okay. Mara, na-pranky ah. Nakakaintindi ka ngayon ko nun, Maray.
Ma-gym ka na. Ah, sige.
Bye.
I'll have to teach him the Philippine national anthem at home. Amo man talaga ini first day of school. Ano nga mga kag-anak nagkikita ha kuan pintana. Now they're doing a dance.
behave lang mo.
Na-behave man niya.
Palo lang yun.
Balit na. Good boy to iya. Nitro has been very behaved. He's just sitting at his desk, he's listening, he's following what the teacher does. Some of the other kids are running around in circles. He's like me when I was in school. Parang ganun din ako. Behave. Good boy. Hop, 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 hop. Running. Now let's stop. Stop. Right, it is snack time. So, going to be papasok and Nacho can eat his food. Hey, Nitro! What did you learn, Nitro? Did you learn some stuff? Yeah? You learned how to write the letters? Yeah, the ABC. And you write the letter I. Hey. Yeah. That's so cool, man. Let's eat some food? Yeah? It's snack time, yeah. Let's eat. We have snacks in your bag, don't we? Let's have a look. Eddie and Nitro, it's cool. Is it yummy, Nitro? Yeah. What? What? It's yummy? Yeah? Nitro, Daddy saw you sing the ABC song. You sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, hey. Yeah, it's up there, isn't it? Yep. So you know all the letters, hey. I know. That is. Yes.